Are you looking for the best pellet grills? In this video we will look at some of the best pellet grills on the market. Before we get started with our video,
we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Number 1. ZGrills ZPG 550B. The ZGrills ZPG 550B is the ultimate 8-inch-1 barbecue wood fire pellet grill that offers a versatile cooking experience. With the ability to barbecue, bake, roast, braise, smoke, grill, sear, and char grill, it provides a wide range of cooking options to suit various recipes. The pellet grill technology ensures a distinctive wood-smoked flavor that sets it apart from gas or carbon grills. Setting the temperature is a breeze, allowing you to relax and enjoy the cooking process without the need for labor-intensive startup or constant monitoring. The grill takes care of the work once the temperature is set, providing a convenient and user-friendly experience. Number 2. Camp Chef 24 inches Wi-Fi Woodwind Pellet Grill. The Camp Chef 24 inches Wi-Fi Woodwind Pellet Grill is a state-of-the-art outdoor cooking appliance designed to elevate your grilling experience. One of its standout features is the all-new Wi-Fi and Bluetooth PID controller, which ensures precise temperature control with the help of 4 meat probe ports and included probes. This innovation allows you to effortlessly monitor and maintain the cooking temperature, with a broad temperature range from 160 F to 500 F and a powerful 25,000 BTUs output. This pellet grill caters to a variety of cooking styles, from slow smoking to high-temperature grilling. The inclusion of a sear box that can reach up to 900 F adds versatility to your cooking options. Number 3. Green Mountain Davy Crockett. The Green Mountain Davy Crockett is a versatile and portable grill that caters to outdoor enthusiasts, especially those who love tailgating. One of its standout features is the SenseMate, a thermal sensor that diligently keeps track of the grill temperature, ensuring precise cooking control. Equipped with a meat probe, a peaked lid for accommodating rib racks, and a handy convenience tray, this grill is designed to enhance your grilling experience. What makes it even more appealing is its practicality in terms of portability. Weighing just 68 pounds and boasting a foldable design, the Davy Crockett can easily fit into almost any trunk, making it the ultimate choice for on-the-go grilling adventures. Moreover, it offers flexibility in power options, supporting both 110 volts and 12 volts with adapters, providing users with 3 different power choices to suit various outdoor settings. Number 4. Camp Chef Golden Spike Oval Dutch Oven. The Camp Chef Golden Spike Oval Dutch Oven is a robust and versatile cooking tool designed for outdoor enthusiasts. With a durable cast iron construction, this 18 and 12 quart capacity Dutch oven can easily cater to meals for up to 12 people. The lid of the oven has notches that double as legs, providing stability during cooking. Its versatility shines through as it can be used for a range of culinary delights, from slow-cooked stews to freshly baked bread. Whether you're camping, tailgating, or engaged in backyard cooking, this Dutch oven is up for the challenge. What sets it apart is the convenient cast iron griddle feature. The lid doubles as a flat-top griddle, adding even more functionality to your outdoor cooking setup. Number 5. Camp Chef Sidekick Grill Accessory. The Camp Chef Sidekick Grill Accessory is a versatile addition to your outdoor cooking setup, specifically designed to fit all full-sized Camp Chef 24 and 36-inch pellet grills. This accessory is also compatible with most Camp Chef 14-inch accessories, providing flexibility in your cooking options. The Sidekick Grill accessory comes equipped with a professional flat-top griddle featuring a true seasoned surface, ready for cooking. It includes convenient features like a propane tank holder, grease management system, matchless ignition for easy starting, and a fully adjustable heat control knob for precise temperature management. The wind-baffled technology ensures that your cooking experience is not compromised by external factors.